Kani kediga Batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Menteri Rangba kani kejela Meghalaya, Konrad Kongkal Sangma, ulakan tat ye kejing kendo jong kaseng Kongres, kabasyong hakal yang persya hakayeng darbar tawan kani kejela. Baka sorkar kam syam nala bante lakam, ya kejing sapriang, uknyang jingpang COVID-19 hakani kejela borok away. Hakajing keren bat ke Batisi TV, Menteri Rangba, Konrad Kongkal Sangma, ulaang baka sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance, kalapan ya kejing terikam kabakhoy, bat kebasyay ba, syakipay ba, da kebasyong jalang ru, hadu laisin kenti bat ki MLA jong kaseng Kongres, ya kebalakot penlong, dau lampang jong kayeng dorbar tawan kejela uba med ba lingdo. Menteri Rangba ulay turu ba watla ke sorkar kalamat iki babun ke jing Henry kalayo pat iki kitien bala ajiro na ki MLA jong kaseng Kongres.
I think it's number one is that we have been very transparent in what we have done. And in the 3 meetings that was held along with the opposition under the chairmanship of the Honorable Speaker, a lot of discussions took place. And in all the 3 meetings that took place, different members from the Congress were present, and they have expressed satisfaction during those meetings on how things have taken place. Of course, it's a very complicated situation, nothing can be perfect, but I think the steps taken by the government from day one have been appreciated time and again by the opposition MLAs also. So I think I don't know why the statements have come out later stage. I think there was ample opportunity in the meetings to say it, but in the meetings they said something else, and outside somebody else said something else. So I think I have no comments on what they have to say outside. But in the meeting, under the chairmanship of the Honorable Speaker, the opposition had positive response. They had also positive suggestions that they made. And as a government, we have been taking suggestions from everybody to ensure that the overall system is improved, because this is a battle that we all have to fight together. It's not just the government, but not just the opposition, but the society as a whole. So we take it positively. If there are any issues, I'm always open to suggestions. And if the opposition has some constructive suggestions to make, please write to me and please let me know, and we'll take it positively. But I think we should avoid any kind of politics in this kind of a situation, and there need not be any political statements being made in this regards.